How to clear cache and cookies on Facebook. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Facebook is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store and then install it. Once you have the app on your device, open it. Enter your login credential, as in your username and your password, and log into your specific account. Once you are in here, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and inside Settings and Privacy, move into Settings. In the section of Preferences, the option of Browser will be available to you. Simply head over to it. The option of Cookies and Cache will be visible to you. And right beside that, the option of Clear will also be available. All you want to do is click on Clear. Now once again click on Clear. There you go, the cookies and the cache has been cleared successfully, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to clear the cache and the cookies on Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.